Hey there, this is Erica from Ever Educating, and today's Tuesday tip is focusing on how to make sure that your examples used in class are easy to find for yourself and for your students. And so this tip is actually very simple. It's using a Google Doc to compile every single example you use in one semester. So take for example me, I'm teaching ENC 1101 composition, and so we have three major units. So what do? I have a Google Doc, right, that's called ENC 1101 examples, and then I have at the top, Unit 1, bold, big font, different color, and then anytime I create an example for my students, I post it right underneath. Okay, so here's an example of a paper outline. Here's an example of a thesis statement. Here's an example of a body paragraph. That's what we covered at some point in Unit 1. Then underneath, Unit 2, again, bold, big letters, different color. Here's an example of this, of that, of the other thing. And then Unit 3, the same. So what you can do is every time you're going to have an example that you're using in class, right, we're going to look up for homework in Canvas. In my case, I link the document anytime it's relevant, right? And so they know here's one place you can go to always find it. But in case you don't want to bother with that, when we do classwork and homework that's related to an example, I'll make sure to link the document. But it's the same document each time. So if I say, oh, we had that example in Unit 1, just go find that because you're still a little bit confused about it here in Unit 2. And it's the same document, right? So it's not, where's that file? Oh no, I've lost it. What folder did I save it in? It's just the one document that you're using constantly to make it much easier for everybody to find the information. Now, next time I'll be talking about how to make sure that students are picking out the main takeaways that you want them to on any given class day. So if you want to make sure not to miss that tip, subscribe below, as well as if you want to make sure not to miss the video coming up this Friday that are longer in comparison to these Tuesday tip videos. I have the whole playlist for Tuesday's tip below though, so if this tip was helpful, click like, and you can head over and watch those as well.